Hello fellow UPass users, my name's Molly and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer data from your iOS device onto a Mac computer. Before I get started, I just wanted to mention a few things and prerequisites before you continue onto this step. You want to make sure that you have already downloaded the data from your UPass onto your iOS device. If you have not done so already, there's a previous video that will walk you through this process. You also want to make sure you have a USB cable to connect your iOS device to your Mac computer, and you want to also make sure that you have iTunes installed on your Mac device. I'm going to go ahead and get started by connecting my iOS device. In this case, I'm using my iPhone to the Mac computer. I'm going to go ahead and open up iTunes to make sure that my iPhone has been recognized. Up here on the top bar of the iTunes screen, you can see this little icon that looks like an iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then in here, as you can see, on the left-hand side, there is a summary of what kind of things you can access within here. You're going to click on this file sharing button that has the app icon next to it. And here you're going to see all of the apps on your iPhone or iOS device that have file sharing capabilities. So right here you can see the UPass app. So you're going to go ahead and select this. And then it's going to look for all of the documents that have been downloaded into this UPass app. So right here you can see here's a folder that I downloaded today. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to go down here in this bottom right corner of the window and press save. Now I can select a destination of where I would like to save this. For this example, I'm just going to save it to the desktop, and I'm actually going to create a folder for all of my UPass data. Now that I have this folder selected, I can just go ahead and press save. And now I can also close or shrink iTunes. And then right here on my desktop, you can see the UPass data folder that was just created. These internal contents, which are right here, and these are the individual log files from each UPass sample run. If you would like to download all of these, you can open them up individually as well. Here is what the text file kind of looks like. The format is a little bit hard to read and decipher, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer all of this data into a blank Excel workbook. Go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm selecting all the contents in this text window, and I'm going to copy them. With a Command C, I'm going to go to a blank Excel workbook, and in cell A1, I'm going to paste all of the contents from that text window. And here is that data also in the hard to decipher format. So you're going to select the Data tab at the top of your Excel document. And with column A selected, right here, you're going to select Text to Columns. And then you're going to be prompted to select delimited or fixed width. You want to select delimited and next. And then you want to select comma as a delimiter in this following window. And now you can press finish. As you can see, this kind of separated the data out into a little bit easier to read format where you have your parameters in the column A, you have the values that correspond to those parameters in column B, and any units or notes that might go along with those parameters in column C. So there you have it. Your UPass data is now ready to save and manipulate as you wish. And as always, if you have any questions or comments or having trouble with any of these processes, please don't hesitate to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.